Are you feeling weaker as you get older? Do your arms and legs feel less strong than they used to? Many people over 50 experience muscle loss, but the good news is you can stop it. Key to keeping your muscles strong is getting the right vitamins and proteins. Without them, your muscles slowly shrink, leading to weakness and fatigue. In this video, we'll reveal the 10 most powerful vitamins and proteins that seniors need to prevent muscle loss, rebuild strength, and stay active longer. Now, let's start with why muscle loss happens after 50 and how to stop it. Why do seniors start losing muscles after 50? But before we dive in, if you find this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe. It really helps us share more health tips with you. Losing muscle after 50 isn't just about aging, it happens for specific reasons. Protein deficiency: your body needs protein to maintain and rebuild muscles. Without it, muscle tissue shrinks. Vitamin deficiency: certain vitamins help muscles recover, grow, and stay strong. Without them, your muscles become weak. Low physical activity: if you don't use your muscles, they slowly disappear. Hormonal changes: after 50, your body produces less testosterone and growth hormones, leading to muscle loss. The solution? You need more muscle-building nutrients. Let's go through the 10 must-have vitamins and proteins that will keep your muscles strong and healthy. 5 essential vitamins for muscle strength. 1. Vitamin D, the muscle protector. Vitamin D isn't just for bones, it's essential for muscle function. Low vitamin D levels can make muscles weak and prone to injury. Seniors are especially at risk because the body's ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight decreases with age. Best sources: sunlight, 15 to 30 minutes per day, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products, and supplements if needed. Tip for seniors: if you live in a place with little sunlight, talk to your doctor about getting a vitamin D test and supplementing if necessary. 2. Vitamin B12, the energy booster. B12 helps your body make red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your muscles. Without it, your muscles feel weak and tired. As people age, their ability to absorb B12 decreases, especially if they take certain medications for acid reflux or diabetes. Best sources: eggs, dairy, lean meats, and fortified cereals. Some seniors may require B12 injections if absorption is poor. Tip for seniors: if you experience fatigue, memory issues, or tingling in your hands and feet, ask your doctor to check your B12 levels. 3. Magnesium, the muscle relaxer. Magnesium helps muscles contract and relax properly. Deficiency can lead to muscle cramps, weakness, and even irregular heart rhythms. Older adults are often low in magnesium due to poor diet or certain medications. Best sources: leafy greens, spinach, kale, nuts, almonds, cashews, whole grains, and beans. Tip for seniors: if you experience frequent muscle cramps or trouble sleeping, adding magnesium-rich foods or supplements can help. 4. Vitamin C, the collagen builder. Vitamin C helps produce collagen, a key protein in muscles. It also reduces inflammation, which can contribute to muscle pain and weakness. Best sources: oranges, bell peppers, strawberries, kiwi, and broccoli. Tip for seniors: eating vitamin C-rich foods along with iron-rich foods like spinach helps improve iron absorption, which is crucial for muscle oxygenation. 5. Vitamin E, the muscle repairer. Muscles experience tiny tears after exercise or daily movement. Vitamin E helps repair them faster, reducing soreness and preventing loss. It also protects against oxidative stress, which can damage muscle cells. Best sources: almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocado. Tip for seniors: if you have dry skin or slow wound healing, you may need more vitamin E. And now let's talk about best 5 proteins to rebuild muscle. 6. Whey protein, the fastest muscle builder. Whey protein is easily absorbed, making it perfect for seniors who want to stop muscle loss quickly. Contains all essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. Best sources: whey protein powder, added to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. Tip for seniors: if dairy upsets your stomach, look for lactose-free or plant-based protein options like pea or soy protein. 7. Lean chicken, the all-natural protein. Chicken is packed with high-quality protein that helps rebuild muscle. Plus, it's low in fat and easy to digest. Best sources: skinless chicken breast or thighs. Tip for seniors: if chewing meat is difficult, opt for shredded chicken or blend it into soups and stews. 8. Fish, salmon and tuna, the omega-3 powerhouses. These fish are high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce muscle inflammation and improve strength. Omega-3s also help keep joints healthy, making movement easier. Best sources: salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel. Tip for seniors: if fresh fish is expensive, canned versions, low sodium, work just as well. 9. Greek yogurt, the calcium and protein combo. Greek yogurt contains both casein and whey protein, offering a slow and steady release of muscle-building nutrients. Bonus: it's also great for bone health. Best sources: plain Greek yogurt, avoid added sugars. Tip for seniors: add fruit or honey for flavor and extra nutrients. 10. Eggs, the perfect protein source. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids needed to repair and grow muscles. The best part? They're affordable and easy to prepare. Best sources: whole eggs, boiled, scrambled, or poached. Tip for seniors: if you have high cholesterol, consult your doctor, but for most people, eggs are a healthy, nutrient-dense option. And now here is the 30-day challenge you can start today. Now that you know which vitamins and proteins your body needs, it's time for a challenge. For the next 30 days, try adding at least 3 of these foods and 2 vitamins into your daily routine. Keep track of how you feel. Notice any changes in strength, energy, or mobility. Want to take it a step further? Pair these foods with light exercise like walking or stretching and watch your body transform. Muscle loss after 50 is real, but it's not inevitable. With the right nutrition, you can stay strong, active, and independent for years to come. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health tips that can change your life. Also, let us know in the comments, which of these foods are you already eating? And which one will you try first? Stay strong, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.